Alright, so we are currently on our way up to Chad's shop with Chad's Fab to get the front gears and locker installed. It already had gears in it, but as you know, they were installed incorrectly, so we're gonna get the new locker in and the new set of gears in. So just got an hour and a half of driving and we'll be there. Alright, so we just made it to Chad's shop and we're gonna unload and pull it into the garage. How do you go about this?
Oh, I normally just kind of grab it. Oh, let it drop. Yeah, try and carry it all the way down. Yeah, pretty much just do a control. Oh, and then you can lean it against the lift right there, right in the middle. So, yep. Pretty much with these big tires, it's just a controlled fall.
Try not to hit yourself in the face when it comes down.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Oh, like 500 lug nuts on this thing.
Yeah, it feels that way some days. Still not as bad as the heavy duty trucks that are 10 lug. We can probably leave the spacer on.
Put it down on.
Yeah, we can probably leave the spacer and the rotor on. We'll just keep it all. They move to different holes you need to.
So I guess I'm going to be needing new wheel bearings as well, because they're... When he pulled the retaining clip off, balls started shooting out because it's all mangled in there. So that's nice. Just more stuff to replace.
The other side's just as bad, and it's kind of got a few of them that are still where they're supposed to be.
Yeah, it's got more balls. It's just not all of them.
Nope.
Never seen that before.
So here's what's left of the bearing, and there's look, the ball bearings are actually broken in half. I don't think I've ever seen them break in half like that before. But
Well, and there's a few loose ones
yeah,
on the
they're
floor.
all over the shop now. But yeah, so that's gonna need a new wheel bearing for sure.
What happens?
There you go. It's like a bracelet for a little person.
For a little person.
There we go. There, right there.
No, it's still holding in there.
That one didn't fall apart like the other side. Yeah, you can see it's.
Yeah, see, it's still got some of the bearing retainer.
Yeah, you can see right there, those balls are separated, where these will just kind of roll around. It had those retainers all the way around, and it had like a seal that protected it.
Yeah, it does seal.
Yeah, it's kind of like just a piece of plastic.
Yeah, there's pieces of bearing in here too. Look, more broken in half. Have you seen a perfectly broken half. The other side had it broken in half too.
Wow. That's crazy. It's not even like it was like ground down. It is like it was broken in half. That's weird. Well.
It's Owen. You're gonna find something new and interesting.
Oh yeah, yeah. There you go. There we go. Lock itself back in. Yep. It didn't want to come out. Solvent tank open. Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Wow. Didn't want to come off.
The pinion nut will under tight.
Yeah, nothing wants to come off of this.
Okay, so that off, we can now the yoke one come off.
Now we'll see if that wants to come out.
Yeah. Cool. That actually came out pretty decent. Should be it, isn't it?
Alright, so we're just getting ready to put the pinion in for the final time because we got the pattern set. We just need to adjust the backlash, but that has nothing to do with the pinion. So we're gonna get it in there all ready, and then we need to adjust the backlash a little bit and then get it bolted back, or then start putting it back together. Yeah, right? Pinion, ring, backlash, yeah.
Pressure on the seal. We go ahead and push on it some. There we go.
Fancy torque wrench. So we added a couple shims or a shim to this side just to tighten up the backlash a little bit, but got it set. I don't remember what it was, but it's good. This is Chad's stuff. I don't really know what I'm doing, but in Braden's truck, me and Braden are gonna do this on his, so I'm trying to learn as we're going, and then you can watch us fail. We did put new bearings in because the old ones are not.
Are awful.
Yeah, the other side wasn't even in existence anymore. Just fell apart when we unbolted it. So.
Yeah. Thankfully, Ford sells replacements. So.
Yeah, I got a little worried because wheel bearings are expensive on these.
Yeah.
Looks all nice now.
Alright, so as you can see, we got it back all put together and it's done. So we are going to get it pulled out and put onto the trailer because it has to be at a car show tomorrow. Alright, so we just got on the road and we are on our way back to Manti to make it to a car show that's happening tomorrow. But as you guys see this video, it already happened. Hopefully you guys came and saw the Blazer. And well, I just wanted to say thank you to Chad and all of them for helping out. It was a huge help, so make sure you go check out Chad's Fab on YouTube if you haven't already. He's a super nice guy, and I appreciate his help a lot. So now the Blazer is even better than it was, and as you can see on Hanging Tree, I mean, it did phenomenal. super happy with how it's doing and just keep improving it. So hopefully I see you guys at the car show. I don't know yet, but as you guys watch this, it already happened. So yeah.